So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello! Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm just hanging out with all of these bubbles. Whoa! I sure do love bubbles. Do you? Yeah. Well, in this video, you and I are gonna meet someone really cool that knows a lot about bubbles. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, that is so cool!
Thanks, Blippi.
Yeah, wait, who are you?
Oh, well, I'm Megan the bubbleologist.
Bubbleologist? What does that mean?
Well, I make all types of bubbles.
Oh, bubbles? I love bubbles! Like, will you show me one?
Sure, I can make big bubbles.
Wow, that is a big bubble!
I can also make small bubbles.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm so excited! Wow, look, those are small bubbles. Megan just made big bubbles and small bubbles. Wow, that is so cool. Can I try?
Of course.
Ooh, all right. What do I do?
Well, you can take any bubble wand that you want to use.
Okay, how about this one? Wow, this one is a big circle. Hello. All right, now what?
Well, you just stick it all the way into the bubble solution.
Okay.
And make sure it gets really wet.
Okay, here we go.
And then pull it out and wave it around.
Wow, that is awesome. My turn. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it just popped. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, I did it again. This is awesome. Wow, that is a small bubble. Wow, I love making bubbles. It's so cool that all this equipment is so colorful. Oh, like this one. This is the color yellow and green.
This one is red and blue.
Wow, that is so cool. I love colors.
Did you also notice that when we were making bubbles earlier, you can see all types of colors in the bubble?
Oh yeah, I see it. It kind of looks like a rainbow. How does that work?
Exactly. Well, the light shines on the bubble and refracts, so then you see all the different colors of the rainbow.
Wow, I love rainbows. Do you know the colors of the rainbow?
I sure do. They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Woohoo! Colors, rainbows, and bubbles. Whoa! Whee! This wand is a triangle.
This wand is a star.
This wand is a square.
This wand is a heart.
And this wand is a flower.
Did you notice that all the bubbles that we made were circle-shaped bubbles?
Really? Why is that?
Because no matter what shape you use, a bubble is always going to be a circle-shaped bubble, because a circle is the most efficient shape a bubble can make.
Oh, that makes sense now. That is so cool. But wait a second. Unless you use bubble magic, of course. Whoa, see you later. Bye-bye. Whoa! Whee! Wow.
Hey, I have a special bubble for you.
Really? What do you mean by special?
Well, I can make an insect bubble.
Wow, really? What kind of insect?
I'll give you a couple of hints.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's see. It likes to crawl on the ground.
Okay.
It likes to eat vegetables.
I love vegetables.
Also, it goes through a metamorphosis later in life.
Metamorphosis? I know what insect that is. Yeah, that is a caterpillar.
You got it, Blippi.
Okay, let's see this bubble.
All right, well first, I need my blue circle wand and my yellow straw.
Wow,
Whoop.
perfect. Wow. So it looks like you're putting one circle bubble on top of the other circle bubble.
That's right.
Another circle bubble. So we have 3 circle bubbles connected right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. And another one. 4 circle bubbles now. That's cool. Wow, I think caterpillars are really cool because they go through metamorphosis. Hey, I saw what insect it turns into. Yeah, after metamorphosis, they turn into butterflies. Here we go. Woohoo! Butterfly bubbles! Caterpillar bubbles! Woohoo! Whee! Whoa, check it out. It's a cloud bubble. Can I pop it?
Of course.
Here we go. Whoa. I love popping bubbles. Whee! Wow! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! That's a big bubble! Whoa! Whoa! So we have learned a lot about bubbles today. We learned about the colors of the wand, the colors of the bubbles themselves, shapes of the wand. We even learned about how some can be big and some can be really small. But you can't forget about those cute little insects. But what's this?
Well, I have a really big bubble wand for you.
Whoa, I love big bubbles. What do you do?
Well, it's a surprise.
Okay, I love surprises.
But first, I need you to step right in the middle of it.
Okay.
Now close your eyes.
All right.
Now open them.
Whoa, look at it. I'm inside a bubble. Whoa, this is awesome. Can we do that again, please?
Of course.
All right, here we go. Whoa, I'm swimming in a bubble. Whee! Yeah! Wow, what is that?
Well, this is the rainbow ball.
Wow, a rainbow ball? Let's see how it works.
All right, so first you open it up,
Whoa!
and then you spin around.
Whoa! It makes so many bubbles. And I bet you call it a rainbow ball because it has a lot of colors, huh?
That's right.
Well, thank you so much for teaching us about bubbles today, Megan.
Well, thank you, Blippi, for having me.
Awesome. Well, see you later.
Bye.
Whoa! Ooh. I'm dancing like a bubble. Whoa! That was so much fun learning about bubbles with you and shapes and colors, sizes, and insects. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you later.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning